Some nights break you, some nights build you. Late nights staring at the ceiling, heart heavy with a hidden feeling. You pray for peace but the pain comes first. Some nights heal, some nights hurt. People think you're fine but they don't see the war you fight silently. You fall apart when the lights go low.